Hello po sa inyong lahat mga ka-crypto. Ako po si Pinoy Crypto Trader at sa video na ito ay atin pong pag-uusapan ang tungkol dito kay WorldCoin. Kung saan ang sabi po rito ay 3AC creditors have largest WorldCoin positions. WLD price can rally to $26. Ayan. Ang 3AC daw po na creditors ang siyang may pinakamalaking hawak na WorldCoin. At yan, meron din pong isang analyst dito ang nakapagsabi or naglabas ng kanyang prediction kung saan ay inaasahan daw po niya na itong si WorldCoin or WLD, yan, ang kanyang presyo daw po ay aangat or aakyatin nito ang presyong $26. At ayan, bago po tayo magpatuloy ay nais ko lamang po munang bigyang linaw ang aking disclaimer kung saan ang nilalaman po ng video na ito ay hindi po ito isang financial advice. For education and information purposes lamang po ang layunin nito. Maliban po dito ay nais ko na rin pong magbigay babala na wala pong kahit anumang group chat ang Pinoy Crypto Trader. Ayan, in a gust of advancements witnessed recently, Sam Altman's Iris biometric cryptocurrency project WorldCoin mark a cyclone of breakthroughs across the crypto landscape as its community spotlighted key achievements orbiting the project's burgeoning popularity. Following a remarkable performance within the broader crypto market in recent days, WLD, the native token of the WorldCoin project, broke an ascending parallel channel on its daily chart today, amassing noteworthy attention across the cryptocurrency realm. 3AC co-founder in the interim spotlighted Three Arrow Capital's colossal WLD holdings, showcasing the investment firm's massive influence on WLD market dynamics. The WLD price neared the $8 mark as of press time, coinciding with the analyst and 3AC co-founder's bullish stance. The derivatives data for the AI project token further mirrored an uptrend in the market, hinting toward bolstered investor confidence. Kaya ayan po si WorldCoin. Ayan, ang sabi po rito ay nagkaroon na po ng isang breakout. Ayan, breakout sa kanyang ascending parallel channel na atin po makikita sa kanyang daily chart time frame. Kaya dahil po yan ay mukhang ito po yung nagdulot sa pag-akyat or pag-angat sa presyo ni WLD or WorldCoin. Kaya yan, ang 3AC ay sila po yung naka-invest, may malaking investment dito or holdings dito kay WLD or WorldCoin. At sapagkat meron po silang bullish stance or bullish na pananaw dito kay WLD. Kaya ayan, at ang presyo po ngayon ni WLD ay nasa $8. Kaya yan, ito raw po ay tumutugma sa naging nakalipas na prediction ng isang analyst at saka ang 3AC co-founder, ayan, na si ayan, sino ba ulit yung co-founder na yun? Ayan, hindi po pala binanggit. Ayan, a closer look into the report. As spotlighted by Ali Martinez, a leading crypto market analyst, the token could potentially gear up for a run to $15, extending its run to even $26. Meanwhile, Three Arrows Capital co-founder Su Zhu drew attention to WorldCoin's remarkable surge ever since the project's inception into the market, taking a bullish stance on the project's token. Ayan po pala ang co-founder ng Three Arrows Capital, siya po si Su Zhu. Ayan. At meron din po siyang bullish na pananaw dito kay WorldCoin. At ayan, yung analyst naman po ay si Ginoong Ali Martinez, kung saan base po sa kanyang technical analysis dito kay WorldCoin or WLD ay ito muna ay magkakaroon ng pag-angat patungo sa presyong $15. Tapos magkakaroon ng extension or ipagpapatuloy niya yung kanyang pag-angat patungo naman po sa $26. 3A's co-founder remarks weigh in on the token's recent bull run. In the co-founder's statement shared on X today, Su Zhu faced a backlash for investing in the project in 2021. However, conveying optimism with the recent rally, 3AC creditors now have one of the world's most prominent WLD positions that aid the organization significantly, as per Su Zhu's statement. A recent post shared by Ali by analyst Ali Martinez on X showcased WorldCoin's breaking out of an ascending parallel channel on its daily chart. The analyst proclaims the token's movement to be potentially paving the way to $15 that could even extend to $26. This comes from numerous factors propelling WLD surge in the market. The recent whale accumulation that pushed the price up by almost 25%, accompanied by scaling of new heights by the project's wallet World Up, additionally aids this upward momentum. Ayan po, meron pong ipinakita rito na chart itong si Ginoong Ali Martinez na siyang naglalarawan po sa kanyang ascending parallel channel na kanyang napansin dito sa kanyang daily chart time frame. Ayan po siya. At nakikita po natin dito yung breakout, isa pong bullish candle kung saan ay tumagos po dito sa upper portion ng ascending triangle pattern natin dito. At yun po sa kanya ay ito po yung magiging susi or magiging dahilan kung bakit magagawang akyatin ni WLD ang presyong $16 pagkatapos ay isusunod niya ang $26. Ayan po yung dalawang kasunod na linya rito. Ayan, nakatapat po sa 15 yung ito yung linya na ito, at yung ito naman yung nasa pinakaitaas ay nasa $26. In the interim, the WorldCoin or WLD price mirrored the analyst and 3AC's co-founder remarks, portraying a bull run in the market. WorldCoin price rockets. As of writing, the WorldCoin price noted an uptick of 44.83% over the past 24 hours and is currently trading at $7.68. The price surge aligned with the burgeoning adoption of the project as World Up users surpassed the $1 million mark recently. Moreover, the bullish sentiment in the market further aids this momentum. Derivatives data offered by CoinGlass also signaled an uptrend in the market, with an open interest increase of 57.51% and volume surge of 141.88%. Kaya yan po si WorldCoin. Yan ang kanyang ay pinakitang or pinamalas na napakagandang performance, sapagkat siya po ay nitong nakalipas lamang na 24 oras ay sumabog po siya ng 44.83%, at kasalukuyang nagtitrade po ito sa $7.68. Kaya yan ang tindi po ng ipinapakitang performance kasi ni WorldCoin ngayon. Kaya yan pong muli ang 3A creditors ay sila daw po ang may pinakamalaking hawak ngayon ng WorldCoin or WLD. At samantala ay kasabay po nito ay naglabas ng prediction itong si Ginoong Ali Martinez na si WorldCoin ay may kakayang akyatin ang presyong $15 muna, tapos isusunod niya ang $26. At ayun, hanggang dito na lamang po tayo sa video na ito. Sana po ay inyong nagustuhan ang aking paliwanag dito. Kung inyo po itong nagustuhan, pakiclick lamang po ang like button nito. Para naman po sa mga bago lamang dito, kayo po ay aking inaanyayahan para mag-subscribe. Pakiclick na rin po ang bell icon nito dahil ito po ang siya magsisilbing notification nito sa mga bago kong videos na akin pong ina-upload sa aking YouTube channel na ito. Marami pong salamat sa panunood. Ingat po tayo lagi at God bless po sa ating lahat.